Today I'm checking out this smart battery charger. It does 6 volt or 12 volt. And I'm using this to be a battery maintainer. So it will charge your battery because it does charge up to 1 amp, but it basically senses your battery and voltage and continues to charge it based upon the voltage your battery has. I use these type of battery maintainers on all of my battery equipment, anywhere from a rod and mower all the way up to tractors and heavy equipment. These things will make it where when I go outside and I turn that key, it's going to crank. So let me go ahead and try this one out and see how well it works. So a couple things with this battery charger that I want to do is, one, it's lead acid battery charger. It's meant for lead acid. So it's not meant to be used with like lithium ion or anything like that, or even AGM. You just want to stick with the lead acid batteries, basically car batteries, tractor batteries, equipment batteries. It is a smart charger because it will go and detect some of these things, and it will change between charging and not charging based upon, what status the battery's in or what kind of load it has on it. And another thing with this is it comes with two different kind of connectors. So you have a connector like this that you can permanently mount to whatever it is you're charging or maintaining. Like this one could go on, let's say, a rod and lawnmower. You would put these two on the batteries permanently, and when you wanted to charge it, you would just connect it. Or instead of using this type here, you could just use these alligator clips here and plug this into the charger. The charger has that connector right here on it. You plug that in, and then you can just, use the alligator clips for the terminal posts. So it lets you use either way that you want to charge it. That's about it for this. I'm going to go hook it up. All right, so I've got the battery charger out here now. It's hooked up to an extension cord here on my tailgate, and I'm going to go ahead and hook this battery charger up to this little battery that I have here that does need a charge, and we're going to see, how all this works out. So this right now is blinking quickly green, which means if you look in the manual that there's no load on it. So it's ready to go, but it's not charging. Nothing is pulling power from the battery charger. So I have the alligator clips connected. Again, there's a little quick connect here, so you can do the permanently installed type like this. Like let's say you have a rod and mower, or you have a tractor or something that you want to put the trickle charger on. You just connect this up permanently and you leave this hanging out. Then you can just plug this in whenever you need. But right now I'm going to use these alligator clips, and I'm going to put the positive on the positive terminal, and I'm going to hook up the negative on the negative terminal. And this is auto detecting the battery to find out, what the appropriate voltage is, because this does do 6 volt or 12 volt. So now it's blinking slowly. So if you look in the manual, that means it's charging the battery. And when the indicator light goes solid green, that means it's fully charged. So this has the ability to do some maintenance on your battery too. It does desulfurification. If I said that right, I don't know. I always mess that word up. But it basically goes in and pulsates the charge through the battery to try to clean it up and extend its battery life. Plus it'll do a trickle charge and do a maintenance charge. Once the battery is fully charged and it turns green, it does a maintenance charge on the battery, so it keeps your battery all nice and topped off. So yeah, I think this is going to work well for me, and I hope this video was helpful. Thank y'all very much for watching. Y'all take care.